Good morning, everybody. It is 5:39, and I have 2 more days of vacation left. So I figure get myself in this point of getting up in the morning and get myself used to this again. And my vacation was pretty good. It actually went a little bit better than I thought it would. I had a little issues, but not a lot. Um, it's been one heck of a trip, and my wife got me I call it a midget uh, power strip. It wasn't. It was $5, so I mean at Kroger, and it's blue. That is what's fascinating. That's only three plugins, so not too sure on how this actually is. I don't know. Maybe for cell phone use only. But it's I guess I'm a little bit tired this morning. Just wanted to get up and do a video and see where this day goes. I'm sorry, I haven't been. Also, I had to restart my Pokemon Go. I guess running off of Google, it buffers like 99% of the time. It only works 1%. So I've been on there trying to get everything caught back up and everything's moving a little bit quicker. I'm making a pot of coffee back there. So, oh my god, I had a pretty good vacation. Like I said, 2 more days, and I have to get back to work. I don't know. God. Sorry for yawning. I keep yawning. I was in the bedroom and my wife was, "Are you going back to bed or are you getting up?" I'm like, "I have no idea." So I just decided to get up. Oh yeah, yesterday I got my hair cut, so I mean I don't look so shabby. The heck is on the side of my head? I have no idea. So I'm going to probably stay up and watch some Twilight Zone on TV. Maybe some cartoons, I'm not sure. At the age of 45, I'm still a big cartoon fanatic, so some of the older Bugs Bunny cartoons. Just this last week, I've been having a lot of back problems again. Madison, she wanted tell my daughter, since my daughter babysits for her, that we need to come back in, and she don't think it's good for us to quit going to the chiropractor. Problem is, they don't know if they take my wife's insurance, but they do take mine from work. So, okay, I'm gonna run over here and get some coffee real quick, and I'll be right back. I'll try to make it quick, yeah, as quick as possible. I'm not drinking out of my Starbucks. Where did I put that? That's right. Oh, right in front of my face, Jason. The only reason I'm not drinking out of my Starbucks thermos, that's what I call it, is because it I actually got that 4 days ago. I go to work, and so I can finish it up at work when I'm at work before I get on the clock. We just had some girl. Speaking of predators, I don't know why I think it's funny, but it kind of happened this way, and it had to be on the week I was on vacation. Because if I was at work, God forgive me, she lost her cool and decided to walk out on us headquarters. She was I believe she was, actually I don't even know what she was. She told our front end manager, I mean, she does have it coming to her what she was told, but this girl told our front end manager to kiss her rear and called her a female dog, which front end management is pretty much mean sometimes and rude, and she thinks her crap don't stink, but on our end, on our employees, and like myself, she's not very nice, and I don't care anymore. God forgive me. I'm pretty much at the end of being nice myself, but I have to. As being a Christian person, I have to watch what I say and watch what I think. Because I mean, what I mean by that is because when I think something, it comes out verbally, but yeah, she's not a very nice person. She thinks she's because she got the title front end manager, she thinks she's everybody's boss. She can talk to them any way she wants to. It doesn't work like that. But like I said, this video is not about that. But sometimes on the subject of talking about the girl that walked off the front end and told her to kiss her rear, called her a female dog. Well, when I first heard it was pretty much um, a sign that people were getting tired of of management crap up front. And I mean, I am not. Every time I talk about somebody, there's no disrespect. It's only the truth, and it's pretty much something we have to acknowledge in life, that some people are not nice. And I mean, she could have told her some. She could have said other things instead of what she did use. Um, but it's over now. It's said and done, and it's to the point now that we have to watch what we say to people, because with all the people getting shot, we don't know who's gonna have a gun or a knife. But anywho, we are still moving on strong. Um, like I said, as a Christian person, I I have different choices of the lines to use. I don't start much because, or I don't say something too much to get stuff started, because I am not a drama starter. I am more of a person that tells the truth about things, and definitely at work. And most people can't handle the truth, so I'll just keep my mouth shut and go with the flow. I do. I hear something, but what is that noise? I hear a noise. I just don't. Oh, I don't know what it is. It was a loud noise too. I don't understand what. Sorry, I'm gonna shut off the lights here. But I'm gonna go in here and get the TV started, and hopefully find the Twilight Zone. I still haven't made. I made it into like the 5th or 6th episode of the Twilight Zone, and I love older movies and TV shows like that. I just seems like I don't have time to sit down and watch everything because of work. But I mean, I love my job. I love working with the people, and I like what I do. Sometimes it gets a little bit overwhelming for me, and I'm easily to get overwhelmed. So, oh, where is the Twilight Zone? I'm gonna have to look who's talking. I watched all 3 of those yesterday. And Michael Myers, Lethal Weapon, Final Destination, Ah, there it is. Twilight there. And I forgot what I was talking about. Oh my god, that's how easy it is for me to get sidetracked and forget everything I'm talking about. No, I don't want to play from beginning. No, I don't want to. I keep watching everything over and over again now. Alright, I was on episode 10. Alright, anywho, I'm gonna get off of here and I will see you on my next video.